Dear student, comparing a globe and a map. In this lesson, first we have to understand the globe and map, characteristic of a globe and a map. So student, a globe. You see in the picture, you see the globe. A globe is three-dimensional model of Earth. The globe shows exact shapes and position of continent, countries, oceans and seas. Now let us understand the map. Okay, this is a map, and map are two-dimensional representation of the globe. We draw a map on paper, on walls, on board. Because maps are plane shapes. It is a physical aspect of Earth. Now, differences between a globe and a map. So, globe is a three-dimensional representation of the Earth. And map is a two-dimensional representation of the Earth. Have you understand? Globe is a three-dimensional representation and map is a two-dimensional. Globe converts areas in a border form, and map is a more detail about the areas. We cannot very easily carry around the globe, but map is very easy to be folded and carried easily. A globe provides details such as capital of the country or any important place. And a map include minute detail about the street and road of a particular area. Means it is map is a detailed information provide to us. So student, globe is 3D spatial model of the earth. The word globe is arrived from Latin word globus, which means sphere. We can see continents, ocean, nations, boundaries, major cities and network of latitude and longitude. A map is a flat surface. It shows characteristic of places in detail. Map are made by cartographer with the technique of cartography. Now let's see the comparison between a globe and a map. First, map is a two-dimensional object, wherever globe is a three-dimensional object. We can easily carry map anywhere, but we cannot carry globe everywhere. Map provide information about any region in detail, but globe provides limited information, example continent, ocean, etc. Map is a flat surface, wherever globe is a spherical in shape. So hope you all understand the comparison between the map and a globe. जो एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी करेंगे, आपको इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं, आपकी बुक में लिखने भी हैं. सो समझ में आएगा मुझे कि आपको लेसन समझ में आया है या नहीं. अभी हमने इस लेसन का एक पॉइंट पूरा किया है, कंपेयरिंग ग्लोब एंड अ मैप. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच डिवाइस इज फ्लैट. क्या पता है आपको कौन सा डिवाइस फ्लैट होता है, ग्लोब या मैप? वेरी गुड, मैप इज अ फ्लैट डिवाइस. सो राइट द आंसर. फर्स्ट राइट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच डिवाइस इज फ्लैट, एंड द आंसर इज map. Okay. Question number 2. Which device is spherical? Means which device is round. तो कौन सा डिवाइस होता है मैप की ग्लोब? ओके, ग्लोब. Globe is a spherical device. Now third question, which of these devices allows you to see the entire area of the earth at the same time? आपको पूरी अर्थ अगर एक साथ देखनी है तो ग्लोब यूजफुल है या मैप, बताओ। ओके, अगर आप ग्लोब देखो तो ग्लोब इज अ मॉडल ऑफ अ एंटायर अर्थ, सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ग्लोब। क्योंकि मैप में आप क्या देख सकते हो, लिमिटेड एरियाज देख सकते हो एक बार में, कोई कंट्रीज के फिजिकल फीचर्स, बट ग्लोब में आप इंटायर अर्थ को एक साथ देख सकते हो। सो द आंसर इज ग्लोब। नाउ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, which device allows you to see only one side of the earth at a time? तो इसमें आप लिमिटेड अर्थ को देख सकते हो, या आपको जैसे मैंने फिजिकल फीचर बोला है तो प्लेन स्पेस पे आप क्या बना सकते हो, you only draw it on map. So which device allows you to see only one side of the earth at a time? It is the map. Now last question, which device can be used for studying a particular region in detail? तो पर्टिकुलर रीजन अगर आपको डिटेल में पढ़ना है तो डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन कौन देता है आपको, मैप और ग्लोब। सो इट इज मैप। किसी भी पर्टिकुलर रीजन का मैप अगर आप देखोगे तो वो आपको उसके बारे में डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन देता है। सो these question you have to write on your notebook